Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how quick and easy it is to recover data from a RAID array using the multifunctional Easy Disk Checker utility. Once the program is launched, click the Get Disk List button. Wait for the utility to poll the system controller. And when the process is complete, you'll see all the disks connected to the system. Let's assume we don't know exactly which disks are part of the array. So we select any of them, click the Data Recovery button, and in the window that appears, choose RAID Recovery. By default, all disks are selected. Press Analyze and see that a Synology NAS partition has been recognized. We can see which disks make up the array. Notice that one is missing, and view the array parameters. When opening it, the utility will warn you that due to the missing disk, the array is in a degraded state. Once the structure is opened, you can view the file system details, in this case BTRFS, and save the necessary data to a local drive. In addition to physical disks, you can also work with disk images using the exact same principle. Just select the files, click Analyze, and you'll see a list of recognized arrays. Just like before, you can open any of them and save the files you need. Everything is done quickly and easily.